So you clicked on this video because you want to buy those precious fake replica sneakers, but I'm going to tell you right now, please do not buy those. And before you click away from this video because you want to be some hype middle schooler with the freshest sneakers, I'm going to share my experiences with buying fake sneakers. I have 3 fake sneakers right here, and I'm going to be going through everything of what I thought about them, the quality, and just why you should not buy fake sneakers. Alright, so like I said, I have 3 pairs of fake sneakers. I have Off-White Prestos and 2 pairs of Yeezys right here. I bought all 3 of these fake sneakers from one website. Alright, so I've been there. You get some money for Christmas and you have your favorite shoe in mind, like let's say the Off-White Presto, but you go and look on StockX and they're like over $2,000. So your only option is basically to buy fake sneakers. It may be exciting to buy fake sneakers and get the shoe, but trust me, fake sneakers hold no value. That is the #1 mistake that I made when buying fake sneakers. I have about $450 laid down in fake sneakers, and now they're worth nothing. But if I would have saved that money and bought a real sneaker, I would still have the value even if I did wear them. Now that I basically covered the financial reason why you should not buy fake sneakers, let's go ahead and talk about the quality of fake slash like UA slash replica, whatever you want to call it. I bought these from a pretty reputable company, but overall, I mean, I did beat these a lot, but as you can see, the boost has kind of ripped right there. And I do have multiple pairs of real Yeezys now, and I have a whole entire collection of real shoes, so don't worry, I'm still not buying fake sneakers. That phase was about 2 years ago. I hope I can get you guys out of your fake sneaker phases, and don't be mad at me because I'm telling you not to buy fake sneakers. I know myself would be mad at me 2 years ago, so I get it. But trust me, don't buy fake sneakers. As wearing fake sneakers goes, like to school or something like that, I actually did make a video about wearing fake Yeezys to school, and really nobody can notice, but when you get asked like if they're real, it's really awkward like trying to lie to them and tell them that you're wearing real shoes, and they're like, oh, trying to check them out and everything. And you know, there's a lot of bullying that can happen through fake shoes and stuff like that, so buying real shoes can really just take all that away and give you a lot of confidence while wearing your shoes. So that's pretty much my advice to you guys, is just go ahead, buy the real sneakers, save up that money, and you'll still have the value. You can even sell the sneaker used, which these you can't sell for anything. So make sure to take my advice. In the long run, it'll end up being the better option, buying the real shoes. But if you guys stuck around for this long, make sure to like and subscribe. But thank you guys for watching.